Hey yo, what's up? Malalim ng gabi dito. Meron lang ako nakita sa YouTube na nakakalungkot. Isang Pilipino namatay ng asawa. Kinanta niya sa burol. Naglalamay. Tindi. Puro mga taga ibang bansa pa yung naka-appreciate ng kanyang pagkanta na sobrang galing naman talaga niya. Nakita ko, tinignan ko lahat parang iisa lang yata nakita kong Pinoy na nag-react, kaya ito gagawin ko ring reaction. Ito, panoorin natin.
I can't believe what I have heard. Could it be true? Are you the girl I thought I know? The one who promised me your love. Where did it go? But everybody ever knows.
Ganda ng boses niya.
How do you heal a broken heart that feels like he will never love this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much?
Maaring nakainom to nakainom.
Oh no, tonight I hold what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let
Pwede ring
go.
singer.
When you ever want, you see what in a fool fall in love with his own dream. And now you say you want to leave, start a new life to go. Those words I thought you never say. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it would never be this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight
Ang ganda rin ng falsetto.
could be right. Tomorrow I pretend to find it could
vibrato pala, hindi falsetto.
behind me. Why can't find I have found you light in my soul? And find it, I know how to let you go. You go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like this? You'll never love this much again. Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken it all behind me. Finally, I know how to let go.
Saklap. Grabe. Kakaiyak. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Mas maigi mauna ang babae kaysa lalaki. Ang hirap. Mas naka-appreciate pa yung mga Amerikano. Tingnan nyo sa YouTube. Maraming Amerikano ang nag-react. Okay, bye-bye. That's it. 6 minutes. Tagal. Thank you.